Hi, and welcome to Raven Rebel's tutorial about how to use Moralis and Chainlink to get the price of gold and display the price of gold in a web app. And no prior knowledge needed whatsoever about smart contracts, Chainlink or Moralis. So what is Moralis? Nice service for front-end developers, back-end developers, and a developer that want to interact with blockchains, Web3, such as Polygon or Ethereum. So just log in there and start using it. And when you go to Chainlink, okay, first off, what is Chainlink? According to Investopedia, it's a crypto technology platform that provides, in many cases, external data to smart contracts on the blockchain. It can be, for example, the score in a baseball game or the price of a stock. And we want to use it to get the gold price. And don't ask me how, but I clicked around and I did find this smart contract on Chainlink. That provides the value of gold. I think it's updated like once per day or something. I don't know, but it's good enough for us. So how can we interact with this contract from Node.js so we can display it on the web page? Well, we click on contract address and we go to Etherscan where we can click on contract, we can click on read contract, and we can see that number 8 here, the attribute latest answer, says 188084 and lots of zeros, and that is the same price here, right? It's just that it has more zeros. So let's present this in a human readable way in a web page. Let's get started. So we create an empty directory called gold, and we initialize an empty npm package project, and we open up our favorite code editor, Visual Studio Code. You can use whatever code editor you like. Nice. So now we have a very empty directory, and we will need some basic stuff. For example, we will have a server.js. We will also have a function called getGoldPrice.js, and we want to have some static content for the web page. So we create a www folder with an index.html file. Nice. And we are going to use Express. So first we start with the user experience. So first go to Express, getting started. We take their hello world example and we paste that on into server. And we say node server starts at port 3000. Hello world, it works, nice. And then we want to use some static content. So what we do is we go to pico.css, super simple, very nice, simple CSS framework. And we copy their base code here. And we want to have the link to a content delivery network like that. And we want our server, in the server, we want to have static content. So we search for static on Express, and it says, okay, this is what you do if you want to have static content. So we say, we have our static content in www. We restart the server, and now we have a nicer hello world because it comes from index.html. And let's say we want to have gold, and we say the price of gold. So now it's gold and a price. So let's get the real price up and running here. And to do that we need the Moralis. And there is a wonderful tutorial called How to Call Smart Contract Function from JavaScript. Spot on. Read that one. We will not read the text. You will read the text. I will not read the text. I've read the text. I just want to go to the meaty, codey stuff. So it tells us to install Moralis and .env. So what do? We install Moralis and .env. And we now know that it tells us that we need an .env file where we place our Moralis key, our private key, the API key to use Moralis, and an ABI JSON which describes the contract. I will not show you my private key. Instead, I will copy it I already have it here. So now I have a .env file in this package. And it also wants the ABI. And what is that? Well, if we go to the chain Etherscan again, We check out code for this smart contract. It has something called contract ABI. So we copy that one and we place it in an ABI.json file and we format that one. Nice. So now we have the base of what Moralis wants us to have. And we scroll down to get some code, and here we have the full code. So we copy the full code. And we go to get gold price and we paste this in and do some refactoring. So we are installing Moralis and .env and we get our ABI. And then we want to, at startup, we want to initialize Moralis and we want to have a synchronous function called get gold price. And in get gold price, it should return the response.raw. The response.raw is the raw data we get. Okay, so it says what contract do you want to interact with and what property do you want, or function name. In our case, this is the contract, so we copy this one. And we know that it was the latest answer, number 8 here. Latest answer is what we want. So actually we should be able to run this one now. So let's try. Let's do get gold price, then console log to see what we get. Node get. Yes, now we got the price. We have to format this number, but anyway, it works. So we say module.exports equals get gold price. And now we go to our server. And now we want to have an endpoint. We call it gold. And it takes request response. Like that. So the price, well, let's do, yes, price should be await get gold price. That gives us the price. And so let's response send a price, an object with the price property. And then we do node server, hopefully it works. And then in our web page, we do, okay, script type equals module. And we say, let's fetch the gold and convert it to JSON. And the price should be object of price. And then we say that this little guy should be updated. So we will do document get element by ID price inner text equals price. Now let's see if something happens. Response JSON is not, what did we do? Okay, we forgot await. Okay. So await fetch and await this one. And now we have the price. Nice. Let's just format that one. And we do that by saying that, okay, divide by 1e8 exponent 8. Now we get the zeros away. And of course we want to do it in a to-locale string, so we format it even nicer. And let's place everything in an article. That will make it like a card. Nice, looky. So there you go. Now you have a web page displaying the price of gold that you fetch from a smart contract, Chainlink contract on Ethereum using Moralis. Very easy to do. And hopefully Chainlink provides lots of price information. I have no idea. Maybe you can use it to get the euro, dollar currency rates and so on. So, and once again, check out Moralis. Totally wonderful service. So it makes it so easy to fetch Web3 information. Hopefully you like this video. And if you like this video, please give it a like, a comment, or anything. All types of human interactions are very much appreciated. And let's of course we should update the title of our page, looky, so we can look at the tab and see the price of gold. Nice. Thank you very much for watching. See you. Bye.